Co się stanęło?
Hello everyone, it's no one other than me, English Polishman. Look and see what is on the front of me.
As you see, professional equipment.
Four-wheel drive on. There we go. Simplicity and dignity. What do you mean what I'm doing? I'm testing my 4x4 off-road. The place where it's supposed to be. Where it's meant to be. It's been designed to be. Andrzej, co u ciebie słychać?
Race begins. 3, 2, 1, go! Bend right. Over the bridge. Immediately. Sharp left. Sharp right. Continue. Straight on. Bend left. Immediately. Bend right. Continue straight on. Track changes in 3, 2, 1. Up you go, go, go. Track changes from gravel to concrete road. Watch out, sharp bend left on the front of you.
Oh no!
10%, heel down, sharp left. Watch out, slippery track.
Oh my god.
Immediately stop your vehicle.
I'm going. Whoa, I'm still going. Fuck me, can't stop. Yeah, I'm stopped. Woo!
Turn right, full power, go on. Over the bridge.
Not sure if am I still on the racetrack.
Watch out for the rabbit.
Oh my freaking god!
Stop your vehicle now.
Kurwa.
So icy though, innit?
It was speed off-road test. Time for suspension potholes test.
Nothing to test, I've replaced all suspension.
Perfect. Suspension accepted. The grab test on icy track.
Fuck, going again. Whoa. Scary though on the ice, innit? I don't really know this car yet. When it's going here, it feels fucking scary.
The icy grab test accepted. Driver, pussy.
So briefly, quickly, limited edition Citroen C-Crosser Mad Max edition, made by me, English Polishman. Let's got a few little gadgets here. Look, see, look. Yeah? Yeah. I lost the key. Badass motherfucker.
Time for storytelling.
And started, Andre.
Badass, motherfucker.
So the story for my C-Crosser is simple, yeah? So listen that one though. I have bought the car from the old man. Yeah. And he didn't tell me, but I knew the clutch is going. I also knew how I should be able to fix it. So it was good price. Bought the car. I was driven for 6 months at least. The clutch went, obviously. It was slipping, not going. So I put it back on sod and that was it. For about 6 months the car was on the sod outside my house on the driveway. So I have got the clutch and I decided to replace it, which I did. I truly did. But I've undone the gearbox 3 times for no reason. For no good reason anyways. And then eventually I've noticed what I'm doing wrong and I put everything back together. Again, job is good and Bob's your uncle, innit? English Polishman. I recommend one of my videos, the battery life, battery stuff, innit? It's winter, make sure you look after your battery, otherwise you're gonna be like me, buying brand new one. £150. English Polishman. Battery life, battery stuff.
Are you interested with off-road content idea?
On my YouTube channel. Yeah. you know what? Let's do this fucking shit, innit? Let's do it. Let's do this fucking shit, innit? And innit?